In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a journal entry in Wave Accounting. Now, the very first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Accounting tab here on the left, click on it and go to Transactions, so click on that as well. Now, if you don't have any transactions in here, it's going to be empty, but if you do, it's going to look like this. Then you want to click on Add Transaction up top in the top right over here, and then when you do that, you want to select Add Journal Entry. Now here you want to then, of course, add in your details, so you have to enter the exact date for the transaction. So I'm going to go and select this date over here, and of course you can enter a description if you want to as well. Okay, so I'm going to just type in sample right now. Now then over here, whenever you've done that, you can go to the first line over here, and then what you want to do is select the account, of course, you want to use. So the account over here is going to be, I'm just going to do accounts receivable over here, for example. Now on this line, this first line, you have to select the account you want to use, and then you want to, of course, write a line description as well. I'm just going to type in sample 1, for example, and then you have to enter the amount in the debit column. So I'm going to do 100 over here, and as you can see over here in the second line, it's going to basically allow you to do the exact same thing. So you'll have to select the corresponding account. I'm going to select this one over here, for example. A description is going to be needed as well. I'm going to do sample 2, and then what you want to do over here is basically enter the amount in the credit column. So it's going to be over here. I'm going to do 100, and there we go. Whenever you've done that, you can simply add a new line if you want to. I don't have more, so I'm going to click just over here to delete that. There we go. You can also add notes up top if you wanna, then click on the save button, and that's essentially how you can make a journal entry in Wave Accounting. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.